So I put a new battery in this remote and it wouldn't work. And the reason why it wouldn't work is because I had this remote inside the vehicle or in the ignition. And that screwed me up because it was testing like there was outputting a signal. This is remote number 2 now, I think. Yeah, driver 2. Okay, so it's locked, unlocked. Well, I got to unlock it first before you can use the tailgate release. So the tailgate's opening, closing. But I was trying to use it with this remote in the ignition switch, off, but in the ignition switch. Now I'm going to try to unlock it. Doesn't respond. Unlock it. Doesn't respond. Open the tailgate. Doesn't respond. Let's reach inside here and take the key out of the ignition. Put it in my back pocket. Look at that. So you can't have a key in the ignition and use the other remote to do anything. Hope that helps somebody else out.